Yeah, so I sold another USDT on Binance for 1,245. So let's trade live. We're about to trade live. We are about to trade live. Yeah, so I've deposited 1,245.11 cedis in my account. So I'm about to trade live for you to see. Yeah. So you click on the more and click on stable coins. So we're about to buy USDT. Yeah, we're about to buy USDT. So right now USDT rate buying with Ghana cedis, the rate right now is 12.02, I think. Yeah. So I'll click on convert. Then I'll click on buy. Buy. But first of all, let me buy one USDT for you to see. One USDT. That's 12.02. That's one USDT. Yeah. So I want to buy all. Let me see. 1,245.1111. I will get 103.59 USDT. I'll get 103.59 USDT. So if I click on continue, then I'm buying what? I'm getting 103.59 USDT. Just gonna say this to buy like 100 USDT on Binance, and I got 1,245. Yeah. So when I come to Eversend and I want to buy USDT, the 1,245 will now get me 103.59. So I'll click on continue. So he said you have bought 103 votes of 1,245.11. You see, so continue. That means is done. So right now, have you seen this thing? So right now, have you see? So right now, the total holdings, I have 103.6461, and the your USDT value is what? 1,208. 1,208. You see. So this is how we do it.